Howdy YouTube, and I'm here to look at on what's on SD for you to send in the radio number 3511 YouTube. YouTube, just a little video YouTube of the SD for you to send in the 400 radio yard in downtown Griffin YouTube. Hope y'all enjoyed the show video, and this is Network 10 for out, and I'm out YouTube.